In the previous video, I showed you how to use the layout component and the outlet component to make a navbar that is shared among the different pages, like this. So that is achieved by using layout and outlet. To quickly summarize, we can think of layout as a template, and we're just going to supply these different pages about or home or contact or people into this outlet, so that React Router can dynamically render the different pages but with the same header. So that is what I explained in the previous video. So in this video, what I want to explore with you is what happens if we nest even further down into the nested roots. So what I mean by that is, so we know this red part is going to be supplied to the outlet. So these are going to be going to the outlet. But what if this red part itself is actually the layout? It's actually the template. What will happen? What can we achieve with that? We can dynamically render either the list of dev team or a list of sales team people if we have this nested roots. Let us zoom into this page. You see, this is what I meant. Although this red part is going to be supplied into the outlet, but nothing stops itself to be another layout with its own outlet where other components can be supplied to it, right? So this is what we mean by nesting further into the nested root. So in this people layout, there will be two roots. One is sales root and another is devs root. And in the sales root, I'm going to supply a list of sales name into the outlet, and in the devs root, I'm going to supply a list of devs name into the outlet. And the desired outcome will be that if I go to different pages, navbar is going to be still here, right? Wherever I go, the navbar is still here. And whenever I go to the people's page, I have the choice to show the list of dev. I have the choice to show list of sales depending on which subroot I'm in the people's root. So how do we achieve that with code? In the previous video, we've shown that every root that is under layout is layout's children component, and these elements, which is nested inside layout, is going to be rendered in the outlet part of the layout. So that is what I've explained in the previous video. So these about page, contact page, all these components are going to be supplied in the outlet of layout. And here, as you can see, we're going to supply another layout, which is called people layout, into the layout. And in the people layout, what we have is the body text, our people, the two links, our sales team, our dev team, and then another outlet. So in this whole website, we have two layouts, the layout for the big picture and another sub layout for the people's page. And both of these layouts have outlets. And if we go back to app.jsx, we see this is the first nested root, and further down we have another nested root here. So this is the inner nest and this is the outer nest. Under this inner nest, it is the people layout, and under this we have the sales component, the devs component that can be supplied to the outlet of the people layout. So that is how we achieve this nested route. In the next video, I'd like to show you how we can have a default view whenever we press this people's page. A list of dev is going to be shown automatically when the user clicks the people's tab, because now it is a little bit cumbersome, because in order to look at the list of dev, the users will need to press one more time to go to the dev team. It will be really nice if there is a default view whenever the user goes to this people route. So that is what we're going to discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has helped you.